Hey guys, welcome to the video. A new car was just released in this game, so I'm going to be testing it out here today. I'm going to be testing the firepower and destruction power. So we got to find some cars. And if the audio is a bit mistimed, do not blame me. I am recording the audio at a separate time. Noise. Goddamn car. Hopefully there are some people with extreme PvP. That's the most helpful. And only every once in a while I will record a video that actually uses audio because my friend really loves to edit my videos. And that's going to be it, so bye!